Hey guys, good afternoons in my place. Today I just like to talk about something like uh, mostly I'm very interested in meditations. Meditation means if you want to real solution of the life or all kind of misery, sufferings, or ignorance, or your mental, physical problem, and you have to be meditate. There only one way to find solutions from all kind of misery, sufferings, and mental, physical stress and depression affects are our mental, physical enemy to destroy his meditations. There are no another words. If you see Westerns and also Western modern science, how is advanced or how is developed doesn't matter, but they cannot make the real solution of the human beings uh, sufferings or mental, physical, all kind of problems. Some people say no. Here, most of the people we are running day after day and night after night and working hard and searching and finding something to good health, good fitness, live healthy. Most of the people think healthy lives, but no one thinks about healthy mind. Very rare people think about healthy mind, wealthy mind. 99% of people you see Western worlds or developing worlds or whatever, you working or you doing whatever activity or whatever you business, everything you doing for like a good health, for good health. No one thinks about good mind. If you see Eastern philosophy, thousands, thousand years ago, people thinks about mentals only. That's why they have spirituality, making meditations. There are many ways that meditates. Uh, some people work with concentration mind, concentrations, and some work observation mind, awareness mind, mindfulness mind. Both are the way of each other very helpful to destroy mental enemy, physical enemy, and awareness and misery and sufferings. That all depression, afraid, stress, that kind of things. But Westerns, what else? Today, they don't have that much that things before 1,000 years ago, because this Western world was mostly the focus materialistic things. They start life, developing life about with materials things, develop materials with care health and care livings, better living, healthy livings, or peaceful living, secure livings for the try to find inside materials, developing materials, luxurious house or cars or luxurious living or healthy food or this and like a sickness, illness. That's if you see in hundred year, thousand year before. So many people dying, illness, sickness, disease, many kind of that don't have proper medications and treatments and east or west, whatever. But they try to find solution or find something to solve this problem, stop this misery to physical misery, physical illness from relief and uh, physical sickness from relief and physical disease from relief peoples. They find many ways to support people life livings better way. But they develop lots of still so much develop. But here is the things you see Eastern philosophy or Western scientifics both are totally work too well. Western scientific materialistic science work with for living better, healthy living, better livings or easy livings or Eastern philosophy, mental philosophy work, psychology work for no. You have to focus our mind. Mind is the main all kind of suffering or problem. Mental and the focus mind to develop mind and find the solution from inside mind and mind making our misery or suffering, awareness, upset, depression, afraid, enemy, lot of things, physical, mental enemy. That's why the fine way, no, especially it is better and start meditating so many way, awareness or you can say mindfulness, observation minds, concentration mind, that's up the way. Even the succeed and the succeed the progress lots of people really to us thousand years ago if you see behind Eastern philosophy the very succeed is like a Asian country India that was very succeed and the very popular very famous and very peaceful time to us and after if you see in population is growing, people are losing on where spirituality, proper spirituality and proper practice and proper focus of the awareness or concentrations, then people and addicted with materialistic things like use the Western world today. People totally addicted with materialistic things materialistic things and try to live better, happy life, healthy life, protecting life, secure life for so many materials, so many type of see, making every day new material to protect, find better way, better also better living, easy life, easy way. But people here is the problem. People are if you see in behind Western people are like so tired and so busy, so tired and so stressful and so depressed and so afraid and that creates lots of enemy, the feeling, the mental physical enemy. They don't feel secure anymore and they don't feel safe, they don't have a relax because this materialistic science for need so much energy and so much time, so much money and so much work and so much maintenance and making so much busier and so much harder life and so much misery there people make so much suffer more pressures and more stressful more depressions and more afraid peoples and but this materialistic science there is very if you see the flop to create peace and create happiness human being society or community force really totally flops it totally opposites totally negatives it's totally negative result that being from human society today Human expectation is so high. So many people lose respect and real love and compassion. People are roads, and people are tired, and people are disrespectful, and people are very discareful each other, and people are disrespectful each other. And totally, if you see materialistic science, people totally in flop for create peace and happiness for human beings. That's why spirituality is very important. I mean, spirituality more not a religious things. You know, to be religious, faith, belief, trust. You need spirituals, pure spirituality, and like 1,000 years before, there have no religions, no God, no creator, no faith, no belief. Thus, people's defending selves, natures, and neutral life, and neutral, simple living, humble livings, neutral life, and people learn nature, learn self, knowing selves, and observe selves, and awareness, and concentrate selves, may create mentally pure mind, pure body. Uh, that was people really happy and peaceful, secure life, simple life, secure, happy lives. Today, how much is luxurious, how much is modernized, how much is stylish, how much is but yeah, technology, multimedia, or whatever. But people are no more happiness or peace. Happiness and peace is gone, totally left from human being minds. Humans are super tired, so depressed, and so stressful, so afraid, and so much unsecure people are alive. There, no relax, no mental, physical relax and relapse, nothings. That's why today need important all every other from your mental, physical happiness for peace for through neutral spirituality. There is no fate, no pressures, and totally live free mental physicals, and totally live naturals, neutrals, humble, simples, and learn selves is very important today. You can kill if you this way only you can kill rudeness, disrespectful, discares people, and measure your sufferings, selves and others, and pain, self pains, other people being pains. You can save. It's possible today. Thank you guys for watching my video.